Hello?
Where the hell are you?
Oh, the thing.
You mean our divorce? Do you take any of this seriously?
No, yes, I take this seriously. Yes, I take this. I had to leave the country. Very suddenly.
What are you doing?
I'm with the Incas in Peru, and I found the next road.
Are you with the girl?
No, it's a bunch of cheerleaders.
So, would you consider maybe dating a 10th grader? I think we could go for full custody.
No, you can't take my kids away from me.
Since when do you care?
It doesn't even sound like him.
I'm a lot closer to them than you think. Let's reschedule. Okay.
Hey, baby.
She's gonna be like, oh wow.
Why is the new kid waving at me? I don't know. But if that boy were an apple, it'd be a delicious.
We are all in such great shape. Oh, jeez. Man, you know, I was doing something. You know, in 10 years, you're going to have this thing right here. Then no amount of crunches is going to do. And spot reduction, total lie. You know, and give me the ball. And the series removed. Get. Coach Murphy. Oh,
You guys, I'm going to bed. Okay,
You're
I'm
still
really
here?
tired. Okay.
Good night,
Legend.
Alright, yeah. And I
20
have to
years.
get up and go to the bathroom.
It's actually my last one.
I listened to some
Nice handle.
Just go to bed. You're fine.
We're looking for a point guard.
Oh, yeah?
Why don't you come to tryouts?
Okay.
All right, I'm done talking.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
Things are looking up. Coach Murphy practically put me on the team. That's not a coincidence. We're on the path.
Yeah, that's right. That's super that you're like finding your destiny and blah, 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 whatever. Hey, here's something. I need you to do something for me. I need you to get in trouble. Not like big trouble, just enough trouble so that the principal needs to meet with your father.
Yeah, okay, well, we'll see. Oh! Boom! Boom! Checkmate, Junior! Checkmate! Can I get a little help? Alex? How's it?
Big boy. Or no.
Who did this to you? The basketball team. Why? Why? You're one of them. You're popular.
Look, this is kind of personal. I mean, I don't know you.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm Mark Gold. Your Uncle Ned's kid. I just started here.
Oh, cool. Cool, yeah. Well, I'd shake your hand, but it's taped to my ass.
Right.
Would you mind?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Just
Right.
Just,
Yeah, just go for it.
So how come we never met? My mom didn't want anyone to know she had a kid with Ned. That makes sense. Yeah. Since we're practically family, my dad says we should just keep an eye on each other, you know?
Yeah, why not?
Next time you get there before they take me to the toilet. You got it. Who's that?
I'm Cole.
Yeah, you two going out?
No, she's the head cheerleader. No, she never got there.
You know, Alex, when I first met your mother, I was so
You
nervous.
met my mother.
What?
My mother.
Yeah.
You just said that the first time I met your mother, I was so good. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Is your mom home?
She wasn't.